Yeah, safe to say we're alive. Crazy how NQ took those eyes. Yeah, man. We're now live from the beehive. Not looking too shabby, innit? Let's do our analysis for the day, bro. Let's get on cracking it. This as we have news in 30 minutes. Pretty positive. So yeah, it's no time to waste, bro. Don't know why this is taking forever to load. Yeah, man, we have news in 30 minutes. Safe to say. Okay, let's just start from the top down, bro. Cause why not? Yeah, I did some annotation on the chart. We took out that high. So now let's see how we will react with this news as well. This is a previous day high. Okay, so we just took previous day high, running up. This is not a supply, this is a higher high. So look to target that. Let's go on the H4. We have the previous day high taken. So yeah, NQ looking really interesting so far. Missed this trade yesterday, bro. Crazy. Missed that trade yesterday. And yeah, man. We'll get right back to NQ, but for now, let's focus on GU, bro. Let's find midnight open and let's find the Asian open, the daily open, I should say. And let's just follow up with price and see what we did from we opened yesterday. So we opened right here all the way to midnight. This is where midnight is. This back one, yes, right here. Okay, so we have daily open and we have the midnight open. And let's just read price, bro. What did we do? We broke out of Asia, making a break of structure, M1 break, because we're on M1. So yeah, M1 break above London, coming back down into the area and giving a mitigation of this demand. M1 demand right here. Now we do have this low as the extreme that we're gonna need to watch. So yeah. So yeah, we mitigated the demand, clear that we made inducement, and it's minor inducement. What did that did? Or what did that do? This led to new highs being taken. So we had another new high being created right here. This was a buildup of liquidity, minor inducement. Why is it a buildup? Because we made a break of structure right here, and we know that traders would have looked to gone long. So M1 BOS above, traders looking to sell, to buy from the demand, get taken out, inducing to more extreme zones, led to new highs. New York Open, what do we have? We have a low led to this high. We broke this area. Yes, so we broke this area. Break above. Last high recreated was this one. This was the last low. Change of character. So sellers are now in control. Efficiency pullback completed right here. We respected the supply, and this confirmed the change. Now we are bearish. Broke below. Price respecting order flow. And yeah, so now being that based off even what I said yesterday, we're bearish, respecting bearish order flow. We have what being created? We have buy side liquidity being generated. This is the supply zone that we'll be looking at. Price is shotting up to the zone as well. So we have to be mindful of that. There about 7 a.m. open and we're literally flying. What is this? We broke above, price coming back down, just respecting the fair value gap. Safe to say, gap filled. So we have on the daily, I had a bullish bias, I'm pretty sure. So I want to see these highs up here being taken for us to continue going higher. You get me? On the M15, do we have a sweep? We don't have a clear sweep as yet. Only thing we have is price opening coming down, and we've just been bullish in it. So at least to take out London low, I'd want to see something like that to then go long. Of course, you don't have to get it in it. So that's my thing. Nowhere in the supply. Third time mitigating the area. Will this hold? Maybe, maybe not. This is loads of liquidity now, so this zone is more prone to a smart money trap. We took previous day high, yes we did. So yeah, we took previously high. Price been bullish. Looking to target those highs up there. Now let's see how this supply zone will hold. How will this react? Would I sell from this? Nah, why? Because of the bullish pressure that we had coming into the area. Stop loss above for like 6 pips is okay, but I wouldn't look to sell from this to target this low because that's what we're gonna need to take out if we're gonna continue bearish. So looking at it, we do have higher imbalance that needs to be filled. I am convinced we'll close bullish in the day. Now it's just about finding the actual entry. It's the same like yesterday on NQ. Well, not the same, but sort of the same in it. Because if you go on NQ, almost the same price action. What did NQ did or do? We open on NQ. Yeah, we got like a small run below on NQ. Open. We ran low. Yeah, but in this case, we're not even running low in it, so it's a bit it's a bit different, bro. It's just smart to open on the midnight and then just wait for 8:30 open. Open is also Asia low. Yeah, we just been expanding, bro. Same thing on NQ. I'd want to see price sweep that London low. 7:30 can give the move you want to see. At least some bearish perspective, yeah. You're not respecting this supply. It just might just be a reaction to induce these sellers. So this build up. So minor inducement of buy side liquidity. Tapping into the supply and we are now reacting. So let's see how that goes. Crazy price action, honestly, not gonna lie. Few minutes before the news, bro. Madness. Just sit on your hands and wait. Sit on your hands and wait, bro. Let us see. I'm pretty positive this zone is gonna be a smart money chop. You know? And then the DAX were bullish. So just waiting. Yeah, bro. We don't have no real sweep on Nasdaq, bro. So to say that I'm gonna look to buy from here is a bit rushed. You get me? Like no raid, no trade, bro. Because whereas you can say this bullish trend is accumulation, and hypothetically with the news release, let's say we get the manipulation like this, you get me, to take out all of this liquidity, and then we got a distribution change of character to then close the day bullish. That's what I'd want to see. But it's in a perfect world, you can't know what price is gonna do. So you just have to wait. But yeah, looking in the discords, there's nothing much going on. See, you're in the supply. I think that's gonna hit stop loss, bro, honestly. And it's the same on GU. It's almost the same as NQ. I do want to see price coming below, sweeping all this bullish sell side liquidity that have been generated, doing the manipulation and then distributing higher. So yeah, you just have to wait on that. This is the next thing I don't like about these limit entries, you know, especially when like you've been trending and the moment you set your limit out like one of these zones, it's very detrimental because no price don't have to respect the area, bro. Especially with a bullish special like this, I've been burned by this so much time. It's like now you just know, like, okay, you have to stay out in this, bro. You get me? Yeah, man. So see, supply zone got induced, and yeah, so a supply zone failed. No price is not gonna go and react to a river. Just have to wait on the news in like how many minutes? 12 minutes. Yeah, in like 12 minutes, bro. Just wait on it, bro. Just wait on that news, man. Traders looking to sell. What do we have? Let's give a quick read. So he broke out right here. Broke out Asia. Broke above. We had a retest of the area, so this is no liquidity. And let's just class this as an inducement because it's break and test traders got induced right there. And this inducement led to these highs being run. So now we have these areas down here. Look to target. This is the last low. Head to that high or low. Head to this high up here. See this one. And where is the supply? Supply zone is right here, unmitigated. And what do we now have? We have a buildup of liquidity. Relative equal highs. Relative equal highs. Liquidity. And yeah, supply zone above. Change below. This is all we're looking at now, innit? So NQ is now bearish as well. News come out in 5 minutes. Let's just watch the manipulation, bro. Early sellers got taken out, so they can take this off. And yeah, man. I want to see price take out the previous day high that we have above. NQ, same thing. You have to take out those highs to continue long. And so I assume it's gonna happen. But we need a run below at least London low, innit? At least London low, bro. Because yeah, this zone right here, the same zone just before midnight, buyers are gonna look to enter right here. If you go on M15, it's actually a demand zone. Maybe M5 is even more evident. You get me? This zone, this area right here, so this whole area right here that we're looking at, this area is actually a trap. I see that as price taking out the liquidity because I know buyers are gonna look to enter right there. So just want to run below London low. That's all we want. Same thing on GU. Just want to run below this demand that caused this break to create new highs to then get a change. Now GU shows that we are respecting the fair value gap and we're pushing up. You get me? Creating new highs. NQ, we're now coming down into the area, coming down to the imbalance and whatnot. Just have to wait and see. We have something like this. Oh, you just see how we react to these, bro. The news come out in six minutes. Menos 5 minutos. So 6 minutes the news come out. Obviously, see what these guys saying in the chat, bro. Alright, bro. Broke out. Tap, push, go. Using five. I'm not trying to rush the market. Just sit and wait. Told you that already. This is what trading is about, bro. Sitting and waiting. No fun in this, bro. Like, no fun at all in this thing, bro. In 4 minutes. Crazy, bro. I only took 2 trades this week, and that was it. Literally fast. Need to do some push up real quick. Yeah. 1 minute. Let's see if you're gonna get a crazy reaction, bro. It's counting down. 30 seconds. In time, let's see. Why is it paused, bro? Look at these candles. Look at, bro, this is crazy, fam. I swear, bro. What we have on NASDAQ. Clear. Madness. Why? It came out negative. This one. Non-farm employment change. Not a lot of person is employed, bro. 22,000 person. Mad, bro. Yeah, I guess that's a wrap in it. Yeah, like have the bias on the day. Like we do have the bias in it, so you know, go. No imbalance in it. We're watching in Q, bro. So he wrote this. He broke out. He ran below. Told you that all this zone is gonna get taken out. I can look to buy now, but it's about where exactly, because we don't have any imbalance and whatnot. This is London law being taken. London law taken. We created new highs. Where would I interrupt? This zone is too big. I can't say I'm gonna interrupt this demand zone. That'll just be pushing it, bro. You get me? Yeah, bro, like this is just too much. I mean, it's NQ, but Like a 8 pip stops. This is the best I can see because GU is out the window, bro. So it's just let's take GU off of the yeah, G is out the window. So let's say NQ, bro. So let's just do the calculation and whatnot. 0.06. That's how the size we would have to use. So let me just place the limit. And we're at 23,763.5. 23,681.9. TP would be for 200. 1 minute below. Yeah, we just place the buy limit on NQ, so we'll see if we get tagged or not. I have a few minutes to wait, of course, but there is it. So buy limit place, stop loss is just below, and yeah, let us just see what happens. Do we have to run below? Yeah, we still can run all the way below, but I don't see it happening, honestly. Like we got the inducement we wanted to see. We swept Asia, we swept London low. We can run below Asia, but the demand zone, bro, there's no imbalance in the demand as well. So it's not like we can like say, okay, we're gonna buy like earlier. We can't because there's no gap in the area to buy earlier. So we just have to wait on the zone. That's the best reaction point. You get me? That's the best reaction point we have, bro. GU is gone. The move of the day in GU in London. But it's just a minor inducement. You get me? So the volatility is there, but entry is a bit, you know what I'm saying? Or the move of the day, you can say this start of New York, with the gap being filled, all the security inducement. Yeah, man, all eyes on NQ. And we still have Earth 8:30 open, so just watch and wait. If we're gonna get tagged or not. Might even be a case where we can give the sweep. But bro, this zone is so big. This zone is so big, bro. 81 points zone. Crazy. We're gonna get tagged. We're gonna get tagged in it. So let's just watch and see. Following the bias. We had the sweep that we wanted to see. What more? Can't wait on anything else. And this is a breaker, yeah? Pretty sure it's a breaker block. Or in retail terms, it will be support turned into resistance. We'll just watch and see, bro. If you lose like $40. So yeah, we're gonna get tagged just about now. Okay, so we are tagged into the trade. NQ buys. What am I gonna do now? I have to journal the trade now. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let me just export the trade. They're using TradeZilla to do this, by the way. Let's just add a trade right here. Export. This is the statement. Open. Let it load. Trade lagged. Go into trades. Open. Notes. Live entry. And yeah, we're just gonna journal this trade. Daily bias and why. Bullish on the day because I have a previous day high I want to see get taken out. I want to see get taken out. Yeah. Let's just scale on the daily to make sure everything, because we're gonna need to save this picture as well. So yeah, this is the high I want to see to get taken out for us to continue going higher, to continue the bullish trend. Let's just mark a text on it. Bear in mind these mistakes, bro. I can't spell. But yeah, so on the daily, that's what my bias would be for us to continue higher. And then we just give the thing reason for entry. Reason for entry. Now we're gonna mark this. My reason for entry was based off the news release. Let's put the visibility on the M15 as well. We're gonna use a 15-minute time frame for this. following my bias and coming into the NY session, we didn't have any flush below before. My take my take was that I wanted to see London Low being taken out for me to then enter a floor time frame confirmation. USD news release gave a sweep below which I see as a manipulation slash inducement for us to now deliver price higher. Now we put M1. This is where I entered the trade after the sweep. We got a bullish change of character. Set my buy limit. Right at the top of the demand. Full stop. Now let's go on M1. 1 to 2 target with stop loss below 480 pips or ticks. 1 to 2 our target with stop loss below 481 ticks. Full stop. And yeah, this is my journaling process, guys. Psychology while in the trade, which is currently now. So what am I thinking? So currently I'm chill, following my plan and my bias. So no real hesitation on this entry. I do think we will close bullish on the day. So yeah, I have conviction in this trade playing out up 3% already. So if we lose, it's a -1 hour max. So no worries. Confidence in this trade, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Did I follow my plan? Yes. Okay, guys, this is all the journaling process I just showed you guys done. And yeah, it's the NASDAQ, and this is a TradeZilla. everything that is there to show. All the trades. So these are all the trades, bro. Took this trade, and yeah. Also, it's actually raw, man. It's not two trades. It's actually four trades he took. It's four, yeah, yeah. It's four trades. Four trades he took. Two Monday and two Tuesday. What the hell did I think? It's just two trades I took. So okay, guys, this is all the thought process done and everything shown live. Also, I'm here recording a day in the life, So yeah, I'm gonna give the guys a quick view of us live right now. So you lot should be prepared to be on the camera. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. Live trade session going good so far, and we're in a trade. You get me? I'm gonna show you a lot right now as well. So let's go, and you can see we're in this NQ buys. Of course, I'm gonna show this. I might just give a breakdown of the trade as well on the YouTube in a separate video. So took these buys based off the news release we got down here. And yeah, it's okay so far. Not at 1 hour, but almost probably like $30. Yeah, $30 floating. Yeah, 1 to 2 targets. So we'll definitely see how it goes. You get me? This is it. I'm gonna end the stream because yeah, it's been going on for a while. We have 8:30 open coming soon. So we'll see how it goes. You get me? With this being said, guys, stay tuned. You know, don't know where the day is gonna take me from here, honestly, but we're down. You get me? We're down for whatever it is. I know I have to do some work later on, do some studying as well. So I'll give you guys a sneak peek on that one. See you lot in a bit, man. Bro, sometimes I don't know, man. Yeah, but I don't like this in it. I'll have to use the wide view or yeah, man, I don't even know. Yeah, I think we'll probably just have to use the wide view, bro. These are the stress about recording. I'm telling you, these are the stress about recording. But let's test the live view and the wide view and see. Just want to see how it looks. It looks better in it. So yeah. Yes, guys, the live session is going good. So far, so good. Alhamdulillah, can't complain. We're in a trade right now as we speak, and yeah, I'm gonna show you lot the trade and why did I took it. So show you guys right now as we're even streaming. Let's just zoom in a bit. In this NQ buys, took this trade because, as you can see, we swept London low. So if you go on like the M15 time frame, we had a sweep of the London low, which I wanted to see. If you play back this live video as well, you can hear me saying that I want to see price come below the low for me to go long off confirmation. And that's what we got. We got a sweep below, run below the low right there, change of character, and entry on the top of the demand, you know. So yeah, currently floating maybe like $35. Yeah, $35, 34, yeah. And yeah, 1 to 2 targets, so we'll see where this trade goes. But for now, this is it. 8:30 open coming soon. Maybe we'll get some more volatility to kick the market in the direction, hopefully. And yeah, so that is that as it relates to the trading. On GU, we got a little bit of, not even a little bit, bro. Like we got the movement you wanted in GU, but it's not in our favor. You see, like how NQ ran below and then is now going up, hopefully to TP. GU just shot up, bro. So we didn't get a trace back, no retracement in essence. So no entry on that. So we have to leave GU alone. And yeah, man, it's just messy, bro. Look at it. So I'm not gonna force the price action as well in it. So yeah, GU is just messy. Not gonna force the price action. So we're gonna leave it at that. And yeah, I'm gonna end the stream right here. Not the live, not the vlog, but the stream. You get me? So stay tuned and we'll see where this day will take us again because I know I have work to do later. So I'll see you lot in a bit. Bro, this is the stress about recording. Stress, you get me? When you don't have a personal photographer or whatever you want to call it, you know, a cameraman or whatever you want to call those geezers, you get me? Like, it's these are the stress that you have to deal with. And I don't have a DJI camera, you know, the one that tracks you when you move and stuff. So we have to improvise, man. You get what I'm saying? You're not saying anything, bro. Just slow, man, bro. But yeah, I'm leaving at this. And we'll just see how the trade plays out. Give an update on that, and yeah, like, share, subscribe, guys. On the way to 1,000 subscribers. Road to 100K funded as well. You're gonna see it live here on YouTube. My whole journey, bro. Up, down, in between, higher highs, low lows, equal highs, equal lows, the imbalance, everything. You're gonna see everything, bro. So you get me. So just stay tuned, bro. And appreciate all of you lot, even though no one's watching. I'll catch you lot in the next one. Peace. Rah, man.